Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, disgruntled JUTC bus drivers who stayed off the job have been ordered back to work by the Labour Ministry.
In a release late this evening, JUTC's management said drivers scheduled for the 7 p.m. shift should therefore resume duties.
It follows a meeting with the Labour Ministry, officials from the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, and the University and Allied Workers Union, which represents the drivers.
But why did the bus drivers decide to take industrial action? Sandy Williams explains.
Salaries are not the only bone of contention for the drivers of the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, but it definitely tops their list.
We have no idea about no signing off, nothing. You understand what I mean? When they say, when the union came, the last meeting they say, yeah man, we have to get a lump sum of money. That's what they said. You understand what I mean? So everybody I look forward for this whole heap of money. You understand what I say? And then when we check, and you understand what I mean? And now we can't even buy a bread. You understand what I mean? We can't even buy Vaseline for come with you the head. You understand what I say? I'm not joke. You can like a beg, then one for a beg.
Some other burning issues also include poor working conditions.
When the bus swings, when the bus not swing, it bounces like ball. We don't have no seat belt. The seat them a bounce up. They catch. We have to catch them with roll, paper roll, so we can see over the dashboard. Do no wiper when rain fall. We have to be like, it's crazy. You know, no light, no light.
Additionally, the drivers claim that they are forced to operate defective buses in contravention of the New Road Traffic Act. This has resulted in them being ticketed by the police. The fines, they explained, have to be paid by them. Pointing to a past encounter, one driver says he has received 5 traffic tickets in one day.
I come from town, the bus overheating. I reach right at the plaza, the bus just shut down because you know in traffic winner. The policeman say move the bus. I say officer, shut down, it overheat. The man say, the people so same time the bus I fly the bus door. And the people start coming, the man say, right, do what you do it fast. So, and one next police come around and say, give me your license, I want my license. So same time I start back the bus. You understand what I mean? Because the passenger them already come out and say me I bring it to the labor. The man follow me come up there and give me 5 tickets. You understand what I have to pay out of my pocket.
But these defective buses, remember that these defective buses, when we get ticket for them, some of the points, some of the offenses cause us to get points. And remember, when all of our points are gone, we don't have a job. So if the company even pay the fine, who give us back the points?
It's peak hours and I'm in the JUTC Transportation Center in Halfway Tree, St. Andrew. Now usually at this time of the day, the center would be one of the busiest areas in Halfway Tree as high volume of commuters would be coming in and out of the center as they try to get to their various destination. However, as you can see, the center is visibly empty. There are no buses available and the commuters are on the outside trying to get alternative modes of transportation. This is because for a second consecutive day, drivers of the JUTC have opted to stay off the job as part of efforts to express their frustration over salary increases and poor working conditions.
In the meantime, officials from the JUTC and the Ministry of Labour and the union representing the workers, University Allied Workers Union, were locked in a meeting for most of the day. The JUTC is requesting a back-to-work order from the ministry, but the union insists if some of the problems are not addressed, the industrial action is likely to continue. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.